Hello there, YouTube. Today I want to talk to you about fishing sliders. There's two different types, or three different types, more than that. I have two different types of sliders right now. Okay, this one is a lot easier to use, and all you gotta do is press over here and unlock it. Okay, and here goes the fishing line, goes inside the plastic tubing. All right, and you put your weight here. Okay, and then you'll just lock it back in place. All right, that's how you do this one. This one right here is a little more difficult. If you don't know how to do, open this one up. You see that indentation there, that little groove right there, right there. You see that little groove indentation? Okay, what you want to do to open this up, you have to push right here. You push down on here and slide it. Let's see if I can do this, because I had a hard time doing this before. Yep, it's a little difficult to do. Just gotta get used to it. Right there you go. See how you push that in where the indentation is, where the dent is, right there, and then you slide it. You slide it open like that, and then you put your weight on here, and then you press back in here like that. Push down on it and slide it back in. Got that? See that little dent there? That's the side you want to press right here, and push down on here and slide this piece towards this way, towards the plastic side. Push down here and slide it. But you got to unlock it from here. Once you do that, you can just slide it open like so. It's going to take you a little bit of practice to get it unlocked. And then you push down here and you just slide it back. See how it slides? Slide it back and it will lock in place again. Alright, this is how you do this fishing sliders. This is Don Gotti. Have a blessed day. Please subscribe to my channel, which will help me a lot. Share this video with your friends and families. Have a blessed day.